Just got the Clam Escape non-thermal. Just set it up. First time out of the bag. Bags it comes with. Kind of a chintzy bag for the stakes. Pretty standard. The bag itself, okay. As far as quality goes, let's take a look around. They've got pockets for the straps. The straps come already pre-hooked up with the carabiner. Decent strap. It's for the tie down. The outer skirt, there's nowhere to stake it down on the corners. There's no eyelet, so you'd probably have to kick snow on it in a windy day. The air vents, pretty typical. This hub also angles inwards. Let's see if I can get that. The sidewalls angle in, which reduces a little bit of the floor space. It doesn't come straight down from the widest point. This is the inside of the Clam Escape non-thermal. All right, guys, let's go ahead and open up the windows. I got my assistants helping me. So that's two windows open. Third and fourth. One thing to point out on these windows, they are not removable. They are stitched in, so you cannot remove these. They feel pretty soft, pretty pliable. Ice cold temperatures, sub-zero temperatures, they might get brittle. All right, let's get an actual measurement of the inside of this thing. Some guys are talking about how the doors are hard to close. Let's see if I can get this zipped up. That's the top. I'm gonna go ahead and assume the bottom's gonna be a little tougher. A little tougher, just more tension. That was left-handed. One hand. If you probably pull from the top above the zipper, you probably go a little easier. This is where the poles go in. It's reinforced. Poles go in the top. It is reinforced with this extra fabric, which is paper thin. I don't know if that makes a difference or not. Just letting you know what I see. As far as storage goes in this shack, you've got 6 mesh pouches. Probably big enough to fit a pair of gloves and a hat. 1 mesh pocket per wall section. And that's about it. There is no storage on the ceiling. You can obviously hang things from the poles. Probably might want to look into that. A couple other things to point out. They do have some anchor points on the inside of the shack. Looks something like that. It's just a plastic buckle with an eyelet, which is actually sewn into the seam of the tent. I don't think that's meant to be the main tie down point. Pull that out a little bit, get some angle on it. You know, you're probably sitting 6 to 8 inches out from the wall, so that would get kind of annoying, possibly tripping over that. Never owned a hub this big before. It's my first time taking it down, so pretty green at it. In fact, I don't actually know what I'm doing. So this should be a really good indication of how easy it is to set up and take down. Rookie mistake already. I think you're supposed to do the roof first. You could probably put the strap on it does come with, but this bag is huge, way oversized. I mean, that's about it. Not bad. Alright, I'll go ahead and set it up now. There's a dozen setup videos on YouTube, but whatever. Set it up anyway. Give you the full experience. Alright, so I'd recommend taking a few extra seconds shimmying on the inside of the corners to kind of get it to settle a little bit. Your doors will open up a little easier. Open and close, mainly close. That's the second time I've ever set that up. So there you go.